Hey, welcome to another video. Let's see how we can complete self-enumeration for the Indian Census 2027 online. Each state and union territory has a specific period for self-enumeration which can be found on the PIB website. I will add the link in the video description. First, visit the self-enumeration portal at sc.census.gov.in. You can also find the link in the video description. Select your state, enter the CAPTCHA and click Verify and Proceed. Read the information and click OK. You will be asked to enter the name of the head of your household and your mobile number. Email is optional. Enter the OTP you have received on your phone number, select your preferred language and click Verify OTP. Make sure to read the instructions. The first thing to do is to mark your house location on the map. Enter the name of your district, pin code and a landmark near your house. Move the red marker to point to your house. Once done, click Confirm Location, then click Save and Exit. When asked for confirmation, click Yes. From now on, you will be prompted with several questionnaires on topics such as house details, household information, amenities, and assets with multiple choice options for answers. If in doubt, you can click the tooltip near the question for clarification. When each questionnaire is completed, click Save and Next. Once every question is completed, click Yes for confirmation. Verify the details and click Final Submit. You will receive an ID which you can share with officials when they visit your home. Hope this video was useful. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and checking out my other videos and shorts. Thanks for watching.